My name is Sang-il Park, and my teammate Kang-min Yu made a Morse code decoder and player. And let's see. First of all, we implemented the single button input mechanism. The device recognizes the transitions of the state of this button and measures the time between each transition, which is then translated into Morse code signal D or dot. It's very simple to use. There are two output devices in this machine. Here, 3 digits of 7-segment LED, and here a pager. We implemented the dynamic display mechanism to put characters on the LEDs because our device has so many features that we had to reduce the number of I/O pins used to control the LEDs. They are actually blinking when it shows some characters, but its frequency is about 300 kilohertz, so it seems like simply turned on. And the pager is used in two ways. First, it simply beeps when you press the data key. It might seem to be hardwired to the switch, but it is not. It is indirectly controlled by logic in the CPLDs. And second, it is used to replay the Morse code of characters on the screen when you press this button. This device keeps up to 5 characters in its memory, but the display shows just 3 characters. So okay. This device keeps up to 5 characters in its memory, but display shows just 3 characters, so we need the scroll controller to see the rest. And of course, you can replay the Morse code of this character again, and you can add more characters.
Hello, I'm Ho Se-yoon of team of Ho Se-yoon and Isanga, and we have implemented this Morse code translator. The switch on the right is the main switch, which toggles the mode. It has neutral mode, input mode, and plane mode. And this is input switch with only one button. And this buzzes when it's pressed. And this is reset button, erases everything in the memory. In input mode, we have 4 + 1 cycles for each short input called DIT, and pressing input button for 12 + 1 or more cycle would input the code for long input DA. And each of these indicates 1 cycle, 4 + 1 cycle, 12 + 1 cycle, and 28 + 1 cycle. And not pressing anything for at least 12 + 1 cycle would cause this module to switch to next character. And actually Actually, we had intra word gap, which caused toggling between word and word, inserting a blank. But this is removed due to hardness of presentation. Let's input sample inputs. And play the last 3 letters. This repeats after 7 cycles. Which means it plays O, 2, 4, and then stall 7 cycles, and then return back to O. And even when stopped during the playing, it returns to the beginning.